but here goes the signs of all the little restaurants they have in the plaza. All right, let's go see this burger joint open. Like I said, we're gonna do some food taste testing. Let's see if this spot open. It might not be open, but we gonna see. Ah, they close on Sunday. Damn, they close on Sunday. All right, let's go to Wingtopia. See what they got to offer. You know, I know y'all probably saying, "Oh, you always bashing us for eating all this chicken. Hey, you is now finna eat some chicken." This gonna be my first time eating some chicken in, I'm talking about in weeks upon weeks. Feel me? Weeks upon weeks. Well, as y'all can see, here go the vibe. I don't see no restroom or nothing nowhere in here. It's like a little small, one of these real small. It's like one of these real small restaurants that sit in the cut. If you don't pay attention, you'll miss it. So we're about to see what they got to offer. Give me 1 minute, I'll be right back with you. All right, y'all, we're in the bathroom, and I must say, I'm very impressed. This thing is very clean. No stains or around the toilet or on the toilet lid. It got a fresh smell to it. Damn clean. That's a plus. All right, y'all, let's get up out of here, man. First and foremost, I had a good time chilling to myself. The restaurant, it passed the test. Wingtopia, your bottom left, right down there in the corner. Yeah, we're just coming from there. All around, I tell anybody that's coming from another state, another country, and you find yourself in the Atlanta metro area, Wingtopia is one of those spots you can just come to, get you a quick little fix of wings. You ain't gotta worry about standing in a long ass line because don't too many people know about this spot. So with that being said, I'ma holler at y'all And I'll catch y'all in the other taste test video. I'm out.